Volcanic lightning, also known as dirty thunderstorms, occurs during volcanic eruptions when ash, gas, and other particles interact in the atmosphere, creating electrical charges. This phenomenon can result in spectacular lightning displays within or around the volcanic plume. The collision of particles generates static electricity, which can discharge as lightning, similar to how thunderstorms form. Volcanic lightning is often seen in conjunction with explosive eruptions and can be both awe-inspiring and dangerous.